Good day and welcome to my channel. I want to briefly define what is known as a non-custodian crypto wallet. A non-custodian crypto wallet. In this channel, I've done a number of videos on crypto, the meaning of crypto for a beginner, a newbie. You can check some interesting topics in my channel. You can scroll through to get to know the foundation of cryptocurrency. But today I want to just define what is non-custodian crypto wallet. We know what is crypto wallet. Crypto wallet is simply where you store the wallet, where you store your cryptocurrencies, your fund. So, but when we say it's not custodian, it means you are the one that have a sole control, over your fund in your wallet. That means you have access solely to the private key. You know, this the key phrase of your wallet. You know, it's under your control. It's not being controlled by the third party. Example of such crypto wallets are the one I have on the screen here is Trust Wallet. We have MetaMask, we have my Ether wallet, we have Exodus, and so on and so forth. We have Coinbase, but I'm using Trust Wallet as an example. You know, you can see from the my screen, you have Ethereum, you have BNB, you have BTC, Matic, and so on and so forth. You have USDT, TRC20, and other cryptocurrencies that are here. No, so one of the major things you must be very familiar with, and you must not make that mistake, is to allow your key phrase to be accessed by the third party. Like for Trust Wallet, there are 12 key words that serve as the key phrase, that is the private key. And none holder of the wallet must not access. And what I mean by that is that the third party must not access. If anyone have access to that key phrase, he can equally download Trust Wallet in another device, and we have access to your fund. So the person can take all your fund. You can lose everything that you have in that wallet. So that is what is meant by not custodian. It's not under the control of anyone. So, and some of the advantages here is that, like, if you are trading, like in an exchange is a custodian wallet. We have situation when an exchange can shut down. Everything about you have there, every fund you have there, all the crypto you have there, all will be gone. So it's always advisable to store at least a substantial part of your fund in form of crypto under your sole control in a non-custodian crypto wallet. As you can see here, I have a number of transactions I've carried out in Ethereum. A number of transactions also I've carried out in BNB. You know, most of the time after my transactions in exchanges, I transfer my gains or whatever I want to store for future use into my non-custodian crypto wallet. You know, some of them now are having, you know, some exciting features. Like here in Trust Wallet, you can swap. That means you can convert from Ethereum to other crypto that you so wish. Then from this interface now, I can swap from Ethereum to BTC and any other crypto that I so wish. You come to the search menu and you check through. You can see if any other crypto you so wish to swap to. And even if you want to buy, you can also buy any of the crypto you so desire if it is allowed on the wallet. You know, so that is all about that in terms of a non-custodian crypto wallet. If you have any question or any comment, you can indicate it in the comment section. Thank you.